Good morning, people. So today I'm gonna try to make an exhaust for this car, the EG, or Civic hatchback. It's not really EG, but I just call it EG because it's easier. So before you guys get your in a bunch, it's a 3-inch. This is a used, came out from one of the parts Integra that we've got, and this is what's left of it. I went ahead and ordered, I should say, a straight 3-inch tubing, and also from Amazon. This is what we're going to use for our muffler or tailpipe. I'm still waiting for a resonator, which is same as this but a little bit longer. That's going to go on the bottom. I'm undecided where if we're going to put a cat on this or not. So this is tailpipe section is definitely way too long because it's for an Integra 4-door. So we'll probably end up cutting it right here, putting this somewhat like that. I'm gonna have my son weld the tip for this, and then the headers. Let me go get the headers. K-Swap headers, got it from eBay. I don't even know what brand, got it a while back. We're gonna cut the flange off of it, cut it right here, then I'll see if I can get this thing expanded. It's a 2.5-inch collector, so I'm gonna see if I can expand it to 3-inch or close to 3-inch, and then put a V-band clamp on it. We're gonna get rid of all this flanges and use V-band for it. So yeah, so let's get going. First, let me go ahead and put this on the bandsaw, see if I can rig it up, so that way I can cut this. All right, be right back. Okay, so put this on the bandsaw and see if it'll cut it. Well, it's gonna cut it. It's just staying straight. Okay, guys, got the headers in. My son welded up the flange, so let me go take you underneath. So yeah, my son welded up the V-band clamp. As I was saying, he basically put that 3-inch space, not really a spacer, but the 3-inch pipe, so it slips into that, and then that goes into the V-band, because the 2.5-inch collector, we can only stretch it so much that if we went straight into the V-band, there's going to be a lot of gap. If you could look, you can kind of see, I don't know if it will focus, you can kind of see how much gap there is, so this way it look much better, and the flow will probably be better. So right now he's working on the resonator, the flex pipe, and the resonator. So I'll be right back when he's done with that and try fit it. All right, guys, so this is the back piece we're using. We're not using this muffler. This is actually for a 4-door, so it's too long, and I don't like how it's big, tip. So I'll probably cut it right here and then go for, more likely it's going to be shortened because the EG, the back is really short. So yeah, let me go ahead and cut this, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so that's cut. I'm gonna go ahead in the back and cut that one too, because we're gonna use V-band clamp, but I won't put it on time lapse. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, this is where we're at. We got the headers bolted, V-band clamp there, flex pipe, and then we got the tubing, 3-inch tubing, resonator. We don't have any hangers on it, so you gotta remember that's why I'm using piece of wood and jack stands. And when you want to do this, you want to get it tucked as high as possible, because when you put your hangers and then the rubber grommet, it'll sag a little bit. So you want to have it tuck as high as possible, so that way, you know, because it'll never be this high once you put it on the hangers, because it'll sag a little bit. So as you notice here, it's somewhat trying to touch. And then, sorry, I'm gonna have to twist. Then you get the bands here. It's just stack welded there, and then out to the tailpipe. While I'm down here, let me put you guys down for a second so you can see what I'm doing. I think you can see, kind of see what I'm doing. So it's a little bit short. So let's see, let's cut it. Let's make a extension piece, which is about, I'd say 4.5, yeah, about 4.5 inches. It's short, about 4.5 inches. So we're gonna make an extension piece to tack onto this, and then the V-band clamp. Now it's a little bit more than 4.5, but the V-band clamp, you know, it slides in and out, so I'll have room to push it out a little bit, and that will give me plenty of room for adjustments too. Actually, now yeah, it's about 4.5. I'd put it there. Okay, we'll cut 4.5, and then let me show you how the tailpipe's gonna look, or the muffler. Sorry. Right now the muffler's coming out like that. I'll probably push it back to where my finger is, so this will be here, and then we'll put a tailpipe on it, so that way with the tailpipe it'll come out to about here. So yeah, let me go cut the 4.5 pipe or tubing, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, we got it all tacked up, and my son's actually welding it right now, but it's, as you can see, it's gotten kind of late. He worked on his race car for a minute, that's why, you know, and I've been kind of hobbling around, you know, working slow. So yeah, right now he is welding the exhaust pipes, and I'm cutting the tip for it. So yeah, I'll probably call it a night, but for you it'll be just 1 second. It'll be in the next day, but I think in forecast it's supposed to rain tomorrow all day. If it does, then we won't be able to work on it, because you can see the car is outside. So yeah, so you'll see us either tomorrow, it'll be tomorrow, or it'll be Sunday. All right, stay tuned. Okay, good morning YouTube. It's actually been a few days, a couple days. As you can see, my son just got done welding the exhaust. We haven't put the tip on yet. That will be last, because I have to make sure, you know, it goes on straight. So, but he's done welding this. Let's go put it on. We haven't put the tip and the hangers. The hangers will be tacking it on the car. So the hangers are on the car already. It's just we haven't tacked it on here. So yeah, let me go ahead and put this on, and we'll be right back. All right guys, exhaust is done, as you can see. You know, exhaust done. So we have 2 V-band clamp, one here where, you know, separate the muffler pipe and the main pipe. The other one will be here, right where the headers, and then you got the flex pipe, hangers. You know, the hangers are in the factory location. Hope you can see that. And then over here, right there. So let me get this car on the ground, put the wheels on it on the ground, so you can see how it looks on the ground, on the back. Okay, be right back. All right, folks, exhaust is done. Let me show you the back. Sorry, there's no sound clip. The car is not ready to start yet. So my son made a little down, you know, pipe cut, down pipe. What do you want to call it? So the sun's so bright, it's hard for me to see. There you go. So that's how it looks. Goes up and over, and you can see I'm shaking it pretty good, and it's not hitting anything, and it's pretty tucked up under there. If you can see, you know, if you can see like that, it's pretty, you know, it's pretty tucked up. So yeah, I guess you'll hear this once we get it running, but for now, you know, we have to work on the harness, I'm sorry. We have to work on the conversion harness. Probably having fab up an intake one of these days, but for this next coming week, we have to get this car ready for race war. I mean, technically it's ready. Today's Sunday, race war is next weekend. I think we just got to change oil and stuff to it, but it's ready. So yeah, till next time.